scratch. And that was not a joke. In this video, I'll show you 5 epic scratch games that will blow your mind. And the first one is, of course, Paper Minecraft by Griff Patch. Now let's do a quick gameplay. Okay, so I've just spawned in and I'm amazed by the amazing gameplay and of course the smooth walking. Now let's try this. So you can delete blocks too. Now I'm going to rate that an 8 out of 10. Amazing but not perfect. Now this one's called Qubit, a game made by Ray Tracing. Let's try this. Okay, as you can see, it's a 3D game and you have to get to the yellow. What happens if you get to the yellow? Oh wow, it gets you to the next level and lava hurts. Oh, okay, do not fall off. You have to just get to the yellow. Now I have to rate that a 9 out of 10. Better than Paper Minecraft, but again, not perfect. Now this one is an extreme pen platformer made by me. Now let's see this. Okay, wow, I did a pretty good job on this. As you can see, I'm not completely finished with this, but right now I would probably rate, for this amazing gameplay, I would probably rate it a 10 out of 10. And that's not just because it's made for me, it's because the game is good. Alright? Now this game is
트랄랄레로
truly amazing, fantastic art. Now I rate that 100 out of 10. That was an amazing gameplay. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. Bye!